What is consciousness? Consciousness means to be conscious of something. When we think about something or when we perceive outwardly something, so there are images in our mind, and those images creates sensations within us. So this process is called as perception process or awareness. When our mind recognizes these images, identifying these images and making decisions and judgments and try to understand these images, then this process is called consciousness process. So how we understand something, how our mind understand or perceive something? By the help of content. Such as there are some sensations about fear or joy or anxiety or hate, jealousy, anything. Our mind suddenly identifies those sensations and label them. It's a fear, it's a joy, it's a jealousy, it's envy, it's a belief. These kind of labeling, coding, decoding, and giving them name by the help of content. These contents are already recorded in our mind. The content of fear, the content of joy, the content of belief, the content of envy, jealousy, content of doing something, attachment, identification, trust, belief. All these are contents of our consciousness. These contents make the consciousness. There is no consciousness without these contents. So consciousness is made of the contents. With the help of these contents, we identify and recognize things and understand the things. So the state of consciousness, to understand something through the content, is the process of consciousness, and the state of understanding is the state of consciousness. So this is the whole process and the state of consciousness. This is the consciousness. So how it arises within us, how the consciousness arises within us. When there is some urgency, there is some disturbance which draw our attention, and our mind run to attend that urgency or to that particular disturbance, there is a state of consciousness. When it happens, when consciousness happens, when we are awake, there is consciousness. Or when we are in sleep but dreaming, there is consciousness. But when we are in deep sleep, when there is no dream, there is no consciousness. So consciousness can only take place when we are awake or we are dreaming in sleep. In deep sleep, there is no consciousness.